fair. Pegula, to give herself a shred of a chance, has got to hold here.
Out! Uy!
It's just
15!
amazing.
Ayos ko na siya!
So much. And this time, so many
Ano
balls,
nangyari
so
sa kanya?
pressure
Hindi
that
na siya
they
Grabe, tatlo na lang.
put her under. Back end of the second set.
Yun, fault pa. Pag isa pang fault na yun, score sa kay, ano yun, Alex. Isa pang fault niya.
Grabe, habol na habol.
Yari! 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 Galing!
Ba't di na nilago?
30! Ayan, dalawa na lang.
Ha?
Grabe, dalawa na lang.
She's tightening up at all. Another well-constructed point from her. Another point where she's got Pegula in defense.
Grabe, kaya sabi ni Yomi Masaki,
Ano?
proud siya na nakalaro niya si Iyala. Nakalaban niya. Kasi daw siya yung future.
Oh.
Yun! Yun! isa na lang! Isa na lang! Grabe, isa na lang! 6-0! Siniro niya! Grabe, siniro niya si Pegula!
Alexandra Iyala.
Lupit nito.
Nahihirapan na yan! Championship point! Isa na lang!
Wala na yun.
Uy! 15! Isa na lang!
Players don't make any outposts. Thank you.
Inaingay mo
Yun,
na.
ha?
Kulit to. Alisin mo na yung ano, copyright. Dali na para makita namin. Alisin mo na yan. Yun, fault. Sana lang. Fault.
Grabe yung ano niya, yung focus niya.
Oo, grabe yung ano niya. Out! Yun! Grabe! Nanalo siya! Grabe! Grabe! Champion!
The moment she is
Oh my
dropped
God!
Iyak!
Yun, Alex!
a first ever tour title
Grabe!
delivered in DC.
Iyak siya.
Oh my, Alex!
500 glory.
Siya nanalo, grabe!
Filipina.
Oh my.
A final played over 2 days in tricky circumstances, but it's Iyala who dealt with it all much better.
Grabe! Ang galing niya, grabe!
Second DC crown is dashed. It's been snatched from her ruthlessly. The top seed outplayed and outgunned by this sensational young talent.
Alisin mo na yung cover!
First of many, I'm sure.
Iyak siya!
The Queen of DC. In 3 sets and from a set down.
Comeback eh, no? Comeback yung ano niya. Grabe!
6 love.
6-0, grabe! Inano niya si Pegula.
Nakakaiyak.
History yan! Record yan, 6-0. Oh, 6-0 history.
I think when they started just going by one of the sweatbands there, I mean,
Record yan, oh. Breaking the record niya yan ng ano. Grabe. Di, grabe, 6-0, Pegula.
Pegula just
Ay, grabe yan, ah.
points at all.
Siniro mo si Pegula. 4-time ano, NBA.
Sa cellphone na agad siya.
Pegula just totally lost her timing and her rhythm out there. So she's getting pushed around the court.
Alisin mo na. Yung 10, dali na.
Mami niya.
It's just the build.
Ha?
Tinatawagan niya yun, no?
Composes herself, controls her emotions, Ayala, and you can see just letting it all out now. I mean, she talked about being in the zone, trying to stay in the zone in that match against the Serbian wall.
Ay, baka wala. Oo nga. Baka hindi nanood.
Easy coming back, obviously, after the delay overnight. And the way that she was still able to finish it off, I know she got herself out to a big lead.
Grabe, grabe. Ang galing niya.
Trying to close out matches, but
15
million, 15 million.
the
Dollars?
first
Sa petsa.
ever title is a different story. Incredible performance.
$15 million yata, no?
It really was. And after the heartbreak of Eastbourne last summer, when she was defeated in a 3-set epic by Maya Joy, she goes one better in a 500. A huge moment for Alex Ayala. Great respect as well as ever from Jess Pegula, who's a beaten player today and well beaten.
Sabi nga ni Naomi Osaka eh,
Of the 13 games
it's a pleasure
played
na
today,
nakakalaro ko si Ayala, sabi niya. It's a honor.
absolutely astonishing.
Dahil yan nga raw siya, ano, eh, future nga raw siya eh, ng tennis eh.
Oh my
Just
God.
the quality, the temperament as well, the tenacity. And she's just a big moment, big game player, isn't she? And
Grabe, ayaw na maalisin yung cover.